Pasensya mo na, bahala pa inga guys kasi ano lang ito, maliit lang natin. Diyan nag-reaction video lang siya. Ako dito lang ako sa bahay, nag-vlog ng delikado mo. Content sa bahay. Labas.
Some say that children have the uncanny ability to connect to the spirit world, and in some cases even see or communicate with the other side. In this next video, a father is home along with his son when the toddler seems to spot something truly bizarre.
Sabi nila bawo daw sa live sa YouTube, pero di natin ipakita sa mga bata sa live kasi baka bawal ang live. Okay lang sa YouTube, basta hindi live. Kasi baka ano lang siguro sa live. No? Pero sa YouTube, hindi man bawal sa bata. Kapag mag-live, baka bawal sa live. Okay lang may pakita, pero sadit lang. Meron naman ako nakita ng live na bata pero ano lang. Pananda yung sagot ko kanina. Meron talaga kasi yung kidnapper. May bata. Hindi tayo basta lumabas daw.
In fact, the man in the photo passed away in 2005, over 14 years before little Razia was even born. She has never even met the man. Or did she actually meet his ghost? Yes. The Crescent Hotel. Built over 138 years ago, the Crescent Hotel in Eureka Springs, Arkansas has
Hindi makablog si Boss Rino. May bagyo daw.
its dark history full of death and tragedy, leaving the hotel with an ominous name, quote, the most haunted hotel in America. The hotel was once a treatment center run by a man named Norman Baker. Baker claimed that he had, quote, the miracle cure for cancer. Of course, these claims were completely
Mabilis na talaga matapos yung vlog ko, video ko.
Now, with the history looked at, it's no wonder that today many of the hotel guests claim to have had terrifying paranormal encounters.
Kapag lumidbox ako, mamalis mo ko puno.
Or even caught on camera. 4 years ago, Jennifer
Kaya siguro tagal ako baka na-remote ako, hindi ko natapos, no? Tapos sa garang mamaya, sunod ko tapos.
something truly creepy.
Most haunted hotel in America, and my nighttime on the creepy door is my eyes shut. So every time you open the door, you can my eyes shut. So every time you open it,
Did you say? Something now becomes clear that something moves in front of Jennifer's camera. Something that resembles a small child.